got a feeling. Perks help me feel it. I feel it. Problems.
Hello. How are ya? Yo! What is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. As you guys can see, we have 2 mystery boxes, and from the title, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna be unboxing a $10,000 mystery box. Now, as you can see, I know you can see 2 boxes, and that is because we're making a challenge, ladies and gentlemen. Within these 2 boxes combined, there's about $10,000 in value. But what we don't know is that one of these boxes is actually more profitable than the other. But me and Alvin are gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoes. We actually asked you guys on Instagram yesterday. If you guys haven't followed us on Instagram at Marco Nava, we asked you which one do you think is most profitable. Now, if you do guess it right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to comment down below if you did. And also, to make it even funner, what we're gonna do. No, you're not. Trust me.
Positive.
You're not. It's you're gonna choose the wrong box. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors, ladies and gentlemen, and whoever wins gets to choose which box to open first.
Okay. Rock, paper.
Wait a second, Alvin. We forgot to tell him what the punishment is.
No,
I bet you don't know.
I don't want to know. I already know.
Whoever makes less profit out of these boxes
Disgusting.
has to drink a Dorito Cool Ranch
Disgusting.
milkshake. Whoever wins gets to resell all the items and keeps the money. Not best of the 3, just one time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no! Fuck! Alright, so you get to choose. Now, mind you. If you choose the wrong box, it doesn't matter that you won rock, paper, scissors. Which one are you gonna choose? You cannot peep at the holes. Either this one. Okay, why are you humping it?
Stop it. Get some help.
No, it doesn't feel sexual.
What?
Oh my gosh! Stop!
I'm going with this one. I'm going with that.
The pretty box?
I'm going with
I
the
like
box.
this one though. So we're gonna put a chart, a counter of the things and how much they're worth. So probably if you go over $5,000, right now we're going off based off lowest ask on StockX. So that's what we're gonna go
if I
based
go
off.
over 5,000, I already won.
Maybe, who knows? Because there might be worth, this 2 boxes, this mystery box might be worth more than 10 grand. Before we do start unboxing, remember guys, and this is the last time you can enter, we are doing a Travis Scott Low giveaway. If you guys want to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, follow Kicks on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram at Marco Nalvin. We'll be announcing the giveaway on Instagram Live on August 31st.
Alright guys, into my unboxing portion. I'm pretty excited, pretty ecstatic.
This is the biggest unboxing we've ever done on the channel, so I'm actually really, it's really cool.
I won. I already know I won.
Are you serious?
Know I won. I know I won already. Alright, let's go with the first thing. This little package. What's this? Straight off.
Ooh.
Oh! The LV monogram. I think it's a beach towel from Chinatown Market. We actually copped this the other day. This is so dope.
It's like an LV, basically like
It's like an LV print, you know?
That's beautiful.
It's sick. Should we hang it up, guys? Should we hang it up in the background?
I think we should hang it up.
Okay, but after the videos, I got something here that Marco's gonna flip about because I already know how bad he wants these. Guys, if you have a little bit of an idea of what these are, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below before I reveal it. Oh! Look at that! These statics.
I'm gonna have to drink those Doritos, bro.
Here, hold it,
I'm
hold
gonna
it.
have to drink that Dorito milkshake.
Do you like it? Does it feel good? Now give it back because it's part of my box.
Shut up!
Guys, look at these. Static black. These are sick. Marco wants these really, really bad. I think.
Yeah, they are mine.
Are they really?
Yeah, they are. I'm gonna put them
Well, they're
on.
in my box though. So technically they're not yours anymore.
They're gonna be mine anyway.
No, they're in my box. These are actually very recent and I know exactly what they are. Right here.
What?
Guys, these are insane. I know you guys have seen these because these are skyrocketing right now. These satin black toes. These are so sick. These are women's sneaker, but they're in my size. Marco, you missed out on everything, bro. These are sick. I literally copped these for retail, but resale is about $950 right now. Pick the next item. Go ahead. You can pick the next item for me.
Here you go.
Did you just pull something else out of the box?
Nope. I'm just kidding.
You're sick. All right, guys. So actually, what are these? Oh!
Wow.
What?
Those are worth like $1,000.
These are literally a G by itself. The Pharrell Nerd Human Racers. Bro, are these in my size?
I think so, yeah.
What? These are sick. Are you jealous of my box already?
I'm not jealous. I'm gonna get more than
You're
you.
a little jealous of my box. Let's go ahead and put this to the side.
You're only like at 2,500 right now. So.
Are you sure about that?
Not about a good amount though.
Nah.
Oh my god! Bro, I won! I for sure won. Bro, this is sick. Let's close this up. Ladies and gentlemen, now these are a pair of sneakers that I've wanted for a minute. And I feel pretty holy to have them. They're not in my size though. Oh my god!
Oh my
the Air Max 97s! What? Bro, off-white Air Max 97s. Oh my god. Bro, these are sick. In the black colorway, there's a white colorway. But these are just sick.
What
Bro,
size is it?
Size 10. That's literally like a G. They are from Stadium Goods, so I wonder.
I mean, any
where we got
off-white
this.
shoe, bro. Any off-white is so snappy.
Off-white is killing the game. Virgil's a beast. Virgil's
Can I choose another one?
No, you can wait.
Choose.
Wait. Alright.
Already, so I can destroy you.
Little small one out. What is this? Oh, it has my name. It's from MCA.
Oh, I know what this is.
What is this? Oh, the Figures of Speech tee. This
Oh,
is
I have this one already. I've already worn this.
Wow.
So, does that even technically count?
It does, because this is the one you bought me from StockX. Alrighty, next item of the box. This box is insane, bro.
Another off-white shoe. What'd you get?
The off-white Grim Reaper! What? Yo, this is sick. This box is literally and utterly sick, bro. What size are these? Are these my size? Please be my size. Please.
They're not gonna be.
Size 9.
I mean, you can probably fit them.
I probably could,
I love
but
these
these
shoes.
are.
I want
bro,
those so bad.
These are so nice.
Those are so nice.
Oh my god. I
Literally.
only have one pair of Blazers, and I'm low-key starting to get more into Blazers, guys. Alright, so this one I might need 2 hands. This one's big.
Really? You still?
Oh my god! Bro! Dude.
Oh, what?
Dude. Definitely the DBZs, bro. I know the box.
Dope.
Guys, look at this box. This box is sick. So, if you guys don't know, I think I've mentioned this in a video before, but if you get every single box in this collection, you can create Shenron. It is so sick. I think they snapped on this design. These sneakers are low-key underrated. Oh, these are in your size.
Yeah. Definitely underrated. And even in the inside.
Oh
wow,
my
you
god,
gotta
look
show
at the
that.
wrapping paper. Let me take this
paper.
out. Let me take this out real quick. Guys, look at this. It is Frieza and Goku. What island is this? This is Namek, I believe.
Namek, yeah. That's Namek.
Bro, look at that. That is sick. I think...
And
And
then
they got all the
inside-
Dragon Balls inside. Guys,
Wow.
they snapped so hard for these
I
boxes.
can't believe these are only selling for like $300. I think this is such a beautiful shoe.
I think
Just
over
like this.
time, these will go for a lot more. As you guys can see, look
They'll
at
probably
this.
be a collectible, especially if you have all of them like in 10, 20 years. If you have all the shoes like DS, like I think definitely they'll be worth a lot. Like,
Definitely, for sure. I think in about 5 years, I give it
It's
to
kind
you.
of it's so weird to only see these reselling for so little. I think
But the thing is, you gotta understand, they used a lot of basic models, so people weren't really too thrilled
yeah,
of the
like
models
the
they
shoes.
used.
Yeah.
Potentially the last item of this box, and I already have an idea of what it is, and I'm pretty positive Marco has an idea of what it is right now.
Just open it.
No. Don't you dare put your hands on my box.
Oh,
Guys.
I feel like I can still win. I feel like I can still
Oh my
win.
god. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a pair of the Moon Rocks in a
What
size
size?
size 9. So these are a big money size. This is a sick sneaker. You don't even see too many of these DS anymore. There's nothing else to say about the sneaker. The sneaker is sick. And honestly, I think I won, so I will not be drinking that Dorito smoothie. Here's a knife, sir.
I don't need it. Alright guys, enough of this whack man trying to tell me that he's gonna do better than me. I mean, obviously he got to pick first, which is, you know, that's life. I mean, what you gonna do, you know? Alright, so inside immediately we see that there's two packages.
Yo, do you need help holding the box?
I don't know.
Strong enough?
It's not holding up. Like inside, there's a lot of stuff. I'll show you right from the back. So let's go ahead and open these Yeezy 700 boosts that we have here. Let's see what shoe this is. This is the. Ooh, we got the Statics here, boys. All right.
I I dig those a lot.
The Statics. All right, so the Statics right here, I'm actually not a huge fan of these. I would not wear this on my feet.
I have my
but
Statics over there.
a lot of people like these. I'd rather the 350s better. Those are way, way better. Alvin actually has those over there. Between these two Statics, I think definitely the 350s V2s are way better than the 700s.
I think they're both about the same. They're just dope. They're dope.
And they both cost about the same price. So, like, if you gave me the option of choosing either or, I would go with the 350s. So next up we got, oh
my God.
No way!
No.
All right, this right here, look at this, fam. The big NMDs, guys. Oh, I love these shoes, and I've always wanted to see them in hand. First time in hand. And the cool thing about these shoes is that the actual fabric that's on the shoe is different from other NMDs.
It's the same fabric that's on the hoodies and the jackets that they did.
Those
recent ones.
Yeah, I have a bunch of NMDs. I used to be a huge NMD guy. Very nice shoe. Really cool details around the shoe. Even on the inside, it says Bathing Ape.
How much these go for.
I think these go for over $1,000. So right there, Alvin, I think I might put you in trouble with these. All right, so next up, we have a pair of Vans. But not just any regular Vans, fam.
No.
These are
No.
the one and only Fear of God, fam. Now these shoes right here, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know why the hell they sell for so much. I would not pay the price. These are definitely gonna be going up for sale. These are 8.5, so Alvin, these actually fit you.
That's sick. Do you want to make a trade for those
the Statics?
Statics.
Maybe we can make it happen afterwards. But I think pretty sure if I win, you're not gonna drink the whole Dorito smoothie. So let's see about that.
I'm not gonna drink the Dorito smoothie regardless.
Oh, you're not? So you know? Do you realize that if
I'm not losing.
Oh, you're not losing?
No,
let's
I'm
see
not
about
losing.
that. Next up, it looks like we have 2 Yeezys in here. Actually, 3 Yeezys. We have 3 more Yeezys.
Why do you have those?
So these are the Moon Rocks as well. But I got a size 10. I got a size 10.
That sucks.
So size 10 obviously sells for a little bit less. Obviously, Alvin already showed these right here. Also from Stadium Goods. Everything that we've gotten in these boxes, everything is DS, guys, as you guys can see. And let's see what else we got, because Alvin already unboxed these, so let me not show you too much of that. Next up, we have a pair of
700s.
These are not money right
What
here.
happened?
This ain't no money right here.
What are these?
These are cheap. These are less than $300, literally. These are the mobs.
The mobs.
Size 9.
More like the vomit dad shoes.
Wow, that's aggressive. For everybody that has mobs, don't take offense to
Vomit
that.
dad shoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can
vomit
see,
on your feet.
Shut up! I'm talking.
It looks like somebody threw up on you.
These are about $300 flat, I think. So, oh god, I don't know. I don't think I won. I don't think I won. Unless these last 2 shoes right here make up for everything. Let's see.
You only have 1 shoe left.
And then we still have clothing left. So let's see. Wait, there's only 1 left.
Damn, you lost.
All right, but
you lost.
Hold on, but you don't know.
No, I know.
These are Yeezy Boost 750s, okay? Now what's this?
What size are those?
All right, hold on.
No.
Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this real quick. Oh yeah. Guys, we got the chocolate colorway Yeezy 750s, guys. These are freaking lit. I actually would love to have a pair of these. I don't know if these are actually my size. They're 8.5. So.
No! Why?
So I basically got all your sizes.
You got my sizes and I got some of your sizes.
Literally. So these are pretty lit, guys. These obviously came out a while back ago.
Those are ghosts now. Let me see them real quick.
Oh look what it came with. So we can soundproof our walls. This for soundproofing your wall. You put this on the wall and it soundproofs.
You're a fucking idiot.
Come. Ew, bruh.
Put that on video.
Why are you licking my shoe?
It's technically
freaking gross.
Stop! You're gonna make my knees ashy.
They're already ashy. Here we have 2 more clothing items, and let's see what we have. We have something from StockX, and this is. Hold on. Oh, we got some Yeezy socks.
Those are my Yeezy socks.
Know that yet? Just yet.
No, we know.
So it comes with 3 socks. Very colorful socks. These are very expensive socks to have.
They're pretty
Let's
thick,
be honest.
low key. Let me
they're
know.
they're good. They're good quality. Like these are good quality, but these will run you like $10 to $15 a piece.
These look like I'm sleeping on the streets.
They were $50.
$50 for 3 pairs of socks? Take that shit back.
$50 freaking dollars right there, ladies and gentlemen. $50.
bucks?
So last thing in here, guys, is one more package, and I do believe that this is from Supreme. So,
You have a Supreme shirt?
in here we got the Supreme. Hopefully we got some cool stickers. Please tell me we got some cool stickers. And yes, we did. Oh my God, these are dope. We got the Buju Banton sticker and everything.
What?
These are going on my laptop, bro.
No.
Look at this. I didn't get to get the shirt. I didn't get the shirt, but hey, man,
neither did I. And I actually
at least I got the stickers. That's pretty dope. Shirt that I got was the Dynamite Tee in large. So Dynamite Tee in large, pretty freaking dope in my opinion. Definitely gonna be rocking this probably, or maybe selling it. I don't know. I honestly think I might have lost, but we're gonna tally everything up. You guys already know. You already know based on what you're seeing on the screen right now who won. But we're gonna tally up and we're gonna see who won and who lost.
$5,995.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Let's get that smoothie ready for your bitch ass. Come on, son. Guys, so as you guys know, Marco lost the challenge, so I'm about to whip him up this disgusting smoothie, and he's gonna love it. It's gonna taste amazing, right, Marco? I'm gonna put this mask on because I really don't want to smell it.
it's a Cool Ranch smoothie, I guess, for the punishment. That fucking sucks.
Fine.
What
I'll
is
take
wrong
it
with
bit.
you?
Okay.
No!
How about that? That's good.
No.
That's half.
No.
That's half. This is gonna be amazing. Oh. Come on, drink. Taste it.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Taste it.
What else can I do? So I don't have to do this.
You wanna eat my ass?
I'd rather do that.
Okay, that's disgusting. Marco's about to drink the concoction. He's having these little withdrawals like he's gonna throw up. But I think he can do it. Hold your nose and do it. You have to drink at least.
It just smells. Look,
2 sips.
smell it.
No, I know. That's why I put the mask on. At least 2 sips. 2 sips. Come on. Everybody root for Marco in the chat. I want to hear, go Marco. This is disgusting, but you deserve it. I could have secretly slipped something in there.
All right, ready?
Do it. Let's go. Oh my God! No! Taste another one. It'll help.
No.
Yeah. Sip it.
Fuck that shit. No.
This one's yours. Come on.
Just take all of it. Just take all the hype shit. Just take it all. I don't care.
Guys, as you can see, I win the challenge. Marco couldn't do it. All that stuff is mine, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to follow our Instagram at Marco and Alvin. Guys, we'll catch you for the next one. Peace. LOL.